on Gothic's kind of walking down here to this, not really another peak, but just another overlook spot. Pretty windy, but temperature is probably around 20. The sun is a lifesaver right now. We were just so lucky today. We were up and at 'em and early. I don't think we would have gotten any views. So that right dead ahead, Saddleback, and then there's Basin, and then Haystack and Marcy in the distance. I believe that other high peak could be Allen, but I'm not 100%. And turning around, that's Whiteface in the distance. You can see the ski runs pretty clearly today. And there's Gary over there. Coming around here, that's Giant over there, and Rocky Peak. And over here, there's Dial and Nipple Top and Colvin and Blake. If you look straight down there to the lake, it's the boathouse of the Ausable Club. That's about where we're going back, but we'll be more to the left on the road, not all the way to there. Interesting day.